Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power to prevent shorts. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 2 minutes so capacitors discharge. Once done, pry up the center console trim with plastic tools. Work from the back to avoid clips snapping. Make sure to locate and remove the 2 to 4 torque screws under the trim that hold the start/stop assembly in place. This gives you access to the button and wiring harness so you can proceed safely and avoid breakage. Now you remove the button assembly itself. Press the wiring harness locking tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Next, depress the small metal retaining clips while sliding the button assembly forward. These clips hold the module into the bezel, so be patient and keep even pressure. When installing the replacement, align the electrical pins first, then seat the module until the clips click. Make sure the new button sits flush so contacts align, and finish by reinstalling the torque screws and snapping the trim back into place, aligning all clips and tightening screws snugly, but not over tight. Then reconnect the battery negative terminal and perform a full ignition cycle. Accessory on, and start to verify LED, illumination, and engine cranking. If the button does not operate, check the related fuses, inspect the harness for corrosion, and confirm module coding in the car's diagnostic system. Most failures are wiring or fuse related rather than the button itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.